Walt Disney Pictures presents.
What is this? It's new.
After years of waiting, finally this fall on special edition 2-disc Disney DVD and for the first time ever in high definition Blu-ray.
I am the Pumpkin King!
From the mind of Tim Burton, The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Fantastic!
An amazing high-def picture of dazzling colors come to life.
I feel so much better now.
Like you've never seen it before.
Excellent, Igor.
With wondrous high-def surround sound, you'll feel the thunder of this bone-chilling experience.
They're celebrating! Ah, you're joking! You're joking! I can't believe my ears!
What's this? What's this? There's powder everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. There's children throwing snowballs instead of throwing heads. They're busy building toys and absolutely no one's dead. There's frost in every window. Oh, I can't believe my eyes. And in my bones I feel the warmth that's coming from inside.
My dearest Jack.
Sally. This year, Christmas will be ours!
Own the masterpiece full of surprises. With never-before-seen bonus features.
Open it up, quickly!
And what did Santa bring you, honey?
Ho, ho, ho!
Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Eureka!
For the first time in high definition, only on Disney Blu-ray and on 2-disc Disney DVD. Coming this fall.
In the summer of 1994, there was a lunch. Me, John Lasseter, Pete Docter, the late Joe Ranft, all sat down. Toy Story was almost complete. And we thought, well, geez, if we're going to make another movie, we got to get started now. So at that lunch, we knocked around a bunch of ideas that eventually became A Bug's Life, Monsters Incorporated, Finding Nemo, and the last one we talked about that day was the story of a robot named Wally.
Extreme Makeover Home Edition on DVD. It's the show that rebuilds homes,
That can't be our house.
restores hope,
The tree that was planted for my dad, it was just so heartfelt.
and changes lives forever.
The Walswicks, they've actually been hit with some really terrible stuff. So do you guys miss your dad a little bit?
Yeah.
Where is he?
He's up in heaven!
Are you ready to see your new house?
Something like finally good happened to us.
Join Ty Pennington and his design team
We're gonna give him a new beginning.
in the most unbelievable makeovers from season 1. And only on this DVD, experience unforgettable bonus features, including a very special look at just what it took to make this show a reality. It's the DVD that will touch your heart and make you cheer.
This is more than any of us kids could have ever asked for.
Extreme Makeover Home Edition. Own it on DVD today.